Hey y'all, today I'm going to be unboxing some nail polish that I got from the thrift store. I haven't looked at these yet, so we're going to be looking at them together. I got them for only $5, so here is the treasure. We've got all kinds of goodies in there, lots of nail polishes, so we will go through them together. The first one we have is the Avon Nailwear Pro in the shade N022 or Fuchsia. This is like a really nice fuchsia pink color. It's just a matte color, not much to say about it. This is the older design, the older bottle design. Next we have an Avon gel finish in the shade Parfait Pink. This is like a hot pink, so it's pretty cool. This is also a matte shade. There's no shimmer to it or anything. Not very remarkable. Next we have an Avon gel finish top coat. So this is just the top coat that goes with the other gel finish nail polishes. Not much to say about this, just a top coat. Next we have another Avon gel finish. This appears to be an older bottle style. And this shade is called Envy. This is a really interesting shade. It's like a bluish green almost. It looks more blue on camera, but it's a little more green in person. It's got some interesting shimmer. We can try to shake this to see if the pigment will move around a little bit. Let's see if we can get it. Yeah, that looks a little better. It's a really interesting shade. I actually like it. And the next shade we have is the Avon Nailwear Pro Plus in the shade Forget Me Not Blue. And so this is like a denim color almost. It's very shiny. You got some sparkles in there. It's really interesting, very shimmery. It's a pretty blue shade. And next we have another Avon gel finish in the shade Limoncello. So this is like just a bright yellow. It's a little more orange in person. It looks very yellow on camera. Let's give it a shake. So you can now see what the color looks like. And next we have Avon True Colors in the shade Wandering Rose. So this is like a blush pink almost. It's not a hot pink like this one. So this is Parfait Pink and this is the Wandering Rose. So you can see this is a little more of a blush pink. It's also a matte shade, pretty interesting. Next we have an Avon gel finish in the shade Purplicious. This one's like a matte purple, no shimmer to it. Give it a little shake. You can kind of see what the pigment is supposed to look like. Next we have a Sassy Colors nail polish in the shade Gold Glitter. This one's probably going to need some reviving. As you can see, there's not a lot in the bottom and the polish is no longer flowing. Next up we have Avon Nailwear Pro in the shade Rave. This one is a glittery pink color. It's almost like a pinkish bronze almost. It's very pretty. Got lots of glitter in there. The next shade I have is a Sally Hansen nail polish in the shade Nude. This could really double as a top coat or just a clear nail polish. There's not a lot of polish left in here. And next we have an Avon True Color in the shade Pastel Pink. And so this is a very light pink. It's a very pretty color. Next shade we have is an Avon gel finish in the shade Sterling. So this is a dark silver, which has got a lot of sparkles in it. It's very pretty. If we shake it up, it blends a little bit better, but we may need to mix this one around just to get the pigment at the bottom to come to the top. The next polish we have is an Avon gel finish, and this shade is called Glimmer. This is like a bronze color, almost not quite gold, but Looks more gold on camera. It's a little more bronze in person. Let's give it a shake. So you can see what the color looks like. I think this one will need a little bit more stirring. As you can see, the polish isn't fully blending into itself. Next one we have is an Avon gel finish in the shade Head in the Clouds. This is just a normal matte gray color. Pretty uninteresting, to be honest. Next shade we have is from the brand Manicure. It appears to be just a top coat. Yeah, the shade is called Transparent. Sorry, my camera is very blurry, so it's hard to see the little labels on the bottom and all that. My camera will not focus. So this is just a top coat. Next bottle we have is another from the brand French Manicure. It's a French tip. It's a French tip one, so it's just a white color. The bottle shape is quite interesting on this. It's different from all the Avon ones that are just normal rectangular shape, but this one's kind of cool. The next shade we have is another Sassy Colors, and this shade is called Honey Frost. It's like a green color, and this one's going to need some reviving because if I turn the bottle over, you can see the polish no longer flows. It's a very pretty sparkly green though, and I'd love to see how this turns out if I do a revive video on it. Next polish is Avon Gel Finish in the shade Orange You Crazy. This one's a bright orange, and I really like this shade. It's like a neon orange almost, just a matte shade. I'll have to do a swatch of this sometime. Next shade we have is a Color Trend Ice Sheer in the shade Luscious Lemon. It is a whitish, like off-white, almost yellow tint almost. So if you move the bottle around, you can kind of see the yellow tint in the light. It's a very unique color. Next one we have is an Avon Gel Finish in the shade Very Berry. So this one is a darker pink. It's got more red in it. You can see the back of it. It's just a matte shade. Very pretty shade. And finally, we have an Avon Nailwear Pro Plus in the shade Blue Water. So this is a lighter blue with a lot of different colored sparkles in here. It'd be a very pretty color, but I know I have to do a revive on this because if you see, if I turn the bottle upside down, there's no flowing anymore and all the pigment is kind of stuck to the bottom. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed my nail polish video. You can see all of the nail polish that we just went over. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll be back for another video soon.